Hello, my name is Emily Davis, and I will be providing you with an overview of the online reference guide to African American history provided by BlackPast.org. This site contains encyclopedia entries of influential African Americans throughout history. The entries are divided by region. You can look at the history of African Americans in America, or more specifically the West. If you want a broader overview, you can look at the global history of Africans. Now we're going to go to the main features. This provides a look at all the different features on the website. They have a genealogy section that provides additional resources if you're looking more into African American genealogy. It also just provides general genealogy resources. We have the special features section. It just provides a look at different movements, events. You look at Black Lives Matter movement. It will give us a general history of the movement as well as all the encyclopedia entries that are relevant to this movement. We got the What's New section. This just provides a section you can go to look at all the new entries that have been added to this site. Makes it so much easier to find anything new that's been added, so you don't have to scroll through all the entries. About Us just provides a lot of information about the website. It has a frequently asked questions section. Just provides a list of frequently asked questions that if you have a question, you can check here to see if it's been answered. There's a how you can help. It just gives you information on how to help the website. And it also provides information on how to contact the website if you have any questions that have not been answered. Provides you with the email address as well as the physical address. This is just a general overview of the site, and I hope it provides you with the information you need.